Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Karen. Today I'll be showing you how to make chickpea or chana. First we have the chana and it's been soaking overnight. This is half pint of chana. Then I have curry that I will be using. If you don't want to use curry, you could omit it. I have tomatoes. This is a small tomato I cut up. I have 2 cubes, right? One is for color and the other one is mostly for flavor. If you don't want to use cubes, you could use salt. I have fresh celery, onions, garlic, and scallions in here. I already blended. I just put it in a jar. I have black pepper. This is just the, of course, flavor. And mustard. Well, everything I put mustard in because it good for your muscles. Pepper. Mayonnaise. Yes, I put mayonnaise. And I put casrip. If you don't have casrip, you could omit it. And you would need a little bit of oil. And I'm using pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, a normal pot for boiling anything like water or so, you could use it. Pressure cooker would fasten the process. Yes. So first, I'll drain off this water that this chana has been soaking in. If you don't have, well, I use the fresh chana. If you don't have the fresh chana, you could use the tin chana. Also, they'll be good and convenient to you. The next step, well, the stove is already on. We'll throw the oil in the pot and then let the seasoning cook. Now we add the chana, and I should add that your stove should be on the lowest heat. And we allow it to cook for a while until we put the water in. About a minute or half a minute before we put the water in. Now your water will depend on the amount of chana. It should be just above the level of the chana so that the chana could cook, it could boil, it could pressure, right? So by reusing the pressure cooker, it's the same thing with the normal pot and the pressure cooker. Just make sure the water is just above the chana. Now we would add the water, and this, after this process, we put on the pressure cooker cover and we allow it to pressure. And you would know when it is finished pressuring when the skin of the chana is very loose, it's about to come off. This is when you're going to know when it finished pressuring. I'll show you that when it reached this stage. Now it's been about 20 minutes. It just depends on how long or what the kind of chana you have, right? So we'll see now if it's ready to put the rest of the ingredients. You could see with this chana, the skin is removing from it. Let me see, I could get this chana and show. Good. Yes, you see this chana, the skin is removing from it and it is soft. This is how you would know if the chana is ready to move on to the next process, which is putting in the rest of ingredients. So already boiled down. So now we could start adding our different ingredients. We're gonna add a bit of black pepper. We're gonna add the curry. You're gonna just give it a nice curry flavor, or if you don't like the curry, of course you could omit it. We're gonna add the mustard. We're gonna add some pepper. And not forgetting your cubes. And if you don't use the cube, you could use your salt. And if you don't use salt or cube, whatever you're using to flavor your food, you could put it inside. Remember, it's your pot. And you know how or what you like. Now we can put a bit of mayonnaise. And to me, the mayonnaise is give it a bit of creaminess to it, which I like. And I put a bit of cashew, or some people could use Chinese sauce. You can leave this to cook maybe like 5 minutes, because as you could see, the water in the pot already dried down, and it is like a thick. They have like a thick sauce, right? And you don't want your chana too dry. Right? You want this sauce, because when you turn off the stove, this sauce would thicken up. It depends on how much liquid you have inside. You leave it for 5 minutes, you leave it for 4, 3, or even a minute. And you turn off the stove. All of this is being done on low fire. And you could see the skin is separate. It's starting to separate from some of them, and some of them even come off. It's been about 2 minutes. So let's see. Tastes good. It's hot. Well guys, that's how you cook chickpea or chana. Yes, this chickpea or chana, as we call it, you could use it for barbecues, you could use it for parties, you could use it for weddings. It's a great side dish. Or you could just eat it plain or with sour. But I'll teach you to make sour in another video at another time. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with everybody, and just look forward to more videos with me cooking different things. Bye.